This short video tutorial shows you how you can better customize your ST Math curriculum by, instead of moving ST Math clusters, or what we might view as a full unit, rather we can now move them by objective. So here's how you'll do this. You'll first log into your ST Math Teacher Console, and your landing page will probably look a little bit different than mine. You're going to click on one of your classes, and you'll see the roster of all of your students pop up. Then you're going to switch to the Curriculum tab. And on the left-hand menu that now populates, you're going to select Settings. Then, where it says Content Settings, we're going to assign all content, and we're going to choose the drop-down menu. Instead of reordering by topic cluster, so that's kind of like the ST Math units, we're going to allow curriculum reordering by objective. We're still going to allow students to skip based on pre-quiz scores, so we're going to want to keep this selected and everything else as is. Then you're going to select Save. Once you select Save, you can go back to Assigned Objectives, and you now see you have the capability to reorder all of these units. So for example, you can see that I tailored my ST Math curriculum to have students start working on visual fraction concepts before anything else. If you all remember, mid-year I recommended in the Expressions and Equations units to allow students to skip relationship graphs, and we also didn't have a friendly way to make this happen. Now all you would need to do is hover your mouse over these three gray lines, click and hold down, and then drag whatever objective you're wanting to move to the location you're wanting to move it. So for example, I'm going to move relationship graphs to the very end, and what that means is as students move through each of these objectives in ST Math, they'll be allowed to start the Expressions and Equations unit by jumping straight into factors and multiples, and if by chance any student finishes the ST Math curriculum, they would be tackling relationship graphs very last. I hope this allows you to better customize your ST Math curriculum for your students' needs.